What's up YouTube? It's me, Camille Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for checking us out here. So this is going to be a little bit of a different video because I'm going to be sharing something with you that I haven't shared. Have you ever, um, the things that are really important to you, the people that are really important to you, the projects that you work on that are important to you, you find yourself keeping them that much closer to your heart, right? Because they mean something to you. And so, yeah, interior design means something to me. And so I just want to share with you one of the areas, one of the spaces, rooms. It's a bathroom that I redid in my home. I love it so much. The concept is like an Airbnb, Instagrammable worthy bathroom. I have to say, I had many hurdles in creating this space, and such as with life, we make a plan and we have to adjust the plan, and things fall through and don't work out, and we better have a contingency, right? But that's another word for another day. So as you watch this video, just keep in mind that I ordered a frameless shower door because the design of the bathroom, the bones of the bathroom require a frameless shower door. The contractor that came out and measured it incorrectly. So I ordered the wrong door and it came, and then I hired a different contractor to come and install it. And he said, you cannot install it because it will not fit. The opening of my shower is actually larger than the door I was directed to order. So that was a bit of a bummer, and it was Thanksgiving time. I was trying to get this done because I had family coming, and I wanted it to be like an Airbnb type experience. And I really wanted the bathroom to be complete, like fully complete. And I just ran out of time. And so I had to return the shower door, and I had to come up with a solution. And I think that's what happens in the area of interior design, is that we make a plan and sometimes the plan doesn't work out, but what we do with what's in our hands is what sets us apart from the rest. So enjoy the video. I definitely would love your feedback and comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Without further ado, y'all, I must love you guys if I'm sharing you this. So be nice to me in the comments, okay? All right. See you later. Bye. Thank you. Yeah, he's a big dog. Okay, so everything's in here. Okay, so the shower door is here. It's way too heavy for me to lift indoors, but I'm gonna have to somehow. Okay, so I just removed the light fixture where you see the 4 is where the mirror was. So I'm going to use my secondary wallpaper to finish wallpapering. This print does require matching, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job of matching it. Can you tell where the seam is?
Hey.
Okay.
Wow, it looks so good. We just did that.
We just did that. You gotta love a reveal, right? Wow. I so enjoyed bringing this vision to life. From the light fixture choices to the LED mirror and even the shelving to create extra space on my small vanity. New sink, new faucet, and a vanity facelift. Just some paint and hardware choices to bring it all together. You know, this painting really was a stroke of genius to carry the thought of the wallpaper through to the other side, along with that same head nod to Airbnb touches with the shelving, big towels, items to make it smell good and feel good. I even moved the toilet paper holder, and all of those things have just created such an incredible space. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Until next time.